Welcome to Regulator. We're glad you've joined us today for a factory tour. Today we're going to walk you through all the processes of how we build the incredible boats that you come to know as Regulators. So let's take the tour. Welcome to the mold maintenance section of our plant. This is an area where we take care of all of our molds. This is the very beginning of the build process. We have people who have been working with fiberglass molds for over 15 years. It takes a special talent to be able to maintain and keep these molds in the pristine condition that they need to be in order for us to deliver quality boats to our customers. As you walk around the plant, you'll see a number of coring materials. One thing that you will not see in our plant is wood, because all the products that we use are composite materials. No rot, no issues, long-term value to your boat. Take a look at this hull being built behind me. You'll notice that there's a green material on the side of that. That's actually the coring material that's being put in place here. You'll notice that the guys are laminating over that with resin, and they'll come back on that coring material with layers of fiberglass to add strength. We actually come in and grind between the two laminates. And what that does is it actually gives us a mechanical bond. Regulators are heavy to give you a good ride offshore.
Safety and quality in the ride start right here with the grillage system. This is unlike a lot of our competitors. This is a single molded piece that fits inside the hull. It's poly-bonded and fiberglassed in, so in essence it becomes one piece. And that gives us the legendary ride that you've come to expect from Regulator.
A small part for us is defined as anything that's not a deck, a hull, a liner, a grillage, or console. In this area of the plant, we're doing several different processes. We're building open molds. We're using resin transfer molding. You'll see that in your hatches, so take a look at those. We also are doing some infusion molding here as well, our tables, those types of things. So depending upon where the part is being used in the boat, our engineering team decides what type of manufacturing process needs to be used.
Here's one of our parts right here. We measure, we paint, one coat of gel, sand, put another coat of gel, and it has a natural color to it. It blends right in the surface. Once we cut it down, we put a latch here. Here's our trim lock. You cannot take this off. Once I put it on, it's here for good. That's the way it looks on the Regulator.
You hear lots of noise going on in this department. This is our assembly shop, where we do all of our rigging here. We do the rigging while the hull is what we call open. It's before we've actually installed the liner and the deck cap on the boat. In this area of the plant, we focus on cutting out all those small parts that you saw us building. We have templates that we use that allow us to know exactly where every cut should be on the boat. So we know where we're putting our Garmin electronics, where we're installing our tackle lockers. All of those things that need a specific place on the boat are planned out ahead of time. And we create these templates to ensure a quality build on every boat here at Regulator. This is our T-top, and you'll notice the hand-finished edge on it. This T-top is also cored with some of the materials that you will see, again, as we walk through the plant. Our engineers have selected the right core material for the weight and stiffness that this top needs to be on a boat that's running 50 miles offshore. As we get closer to the end of our production process here, we get into the area where we need our highest level of expertise in the plant. Our installers are trained by both Yamaha and Garmin to ensure that your day on the water is fun and trouble-free.
Garmin is the top of the line marine electronics. We have certified Garmin technicians on site. We install it as the boat's being built. That's where it's nice and clean and installed properly.
All the guys that are installing this stuff are trained by Yamaha. So the only people that touch these engines are ones that know exactly what to do.
As we begin the final stages of delivering this incredible boat to you, we have our team of customer inspectors come aboard and take a look as if they were buying it for themselves. They open the hatches, they open the doors, they check the finish of the boat as if this very boat was their own. And once they've completed that and they've said it's time for the boat to ship, then we wrap it up and we send it to your local dealer and to you. We loved having you tour our facility, but what we really want is for you to come to 187 Peanut Drive, the home of Regulator Marine in Edenton, North Carolina, and take a tour of our facility. We would love to show you what we do, but more importantly, we want to introduce you to the craftsmen who build every single regulator we build. Have a great day and come see us in Edenton.